A quarter-acre hillside in Zimbabwe produced 340% more food this season after one change. Nothing purchased, nothing added, nothing installed. Just shallow trenches dug along the hillside following a specific line. Every raindrop hitting that property stayed put instead of running off. The technique is called contour-swaling. Farmers across Africa, Australia, and the American Southwest have used it for generations to turn hillsides that shed water into ground that drinks it. This weekend, you could start the same process on your own property with a hoe and 2 wooden stakes. Leave a comment below. How much rain does your property actually hold after a storm? Researchers studying crop failure patterns across sub-Saharan Africa in the 1970s kept finding the same result in their data. Farms on level ground survived dry seasons. Farms on hillsides didn't, even when both received the same rainfall totals across the year. The difference wasn't how much fell, it was how long it stayed. On level terrain, rain hit the ground and soaked in gradually. On pitched terrain, the same volume arrived and left within minutes, racing away before the soil could absorb a single gallon. By the time a dry stretch arrived 2 weeks later, hillside farms had nothing in reserve. Level farms had weeks of stored moisture, keeping crops alive underground. That observation led researchers to one question: what if you could make a hillside behave like level ground? The answer was already sitting in field records from traditional farming communities across Zimbabwe, Ethiopia, and the Sahel, regions where angled terrain covered most of the available farmland, and even ground simply didn't exist. Farmers there had been shaping their hillsides for generations using hand tools, following a method requiring no engineering knowledge whatsoever. They read the land itself. Every hillside has an invisible line running across it called a contour, a path along which elevation stays constant. Walk that line, and you neither climb nor descend. Dig a shallow channel along it, and you've created a level groove that rain can fill without flowing anywhere. That groove becomes a storage system. Rainfall hitting the hillside above runs toward it, reaches the channel, and stops moving. Water pools, slows, and pushes into the ground rather than continuing toward a ditch or a road. One channel on a half-acre hillside retained enough moisture to visibly change crop performance within a single growing season. Here's what separates contour swaling from every other water management approach covered on this channel. A canopy moves water underground from a distant source. A buried cistern stores what falls on a rooftop. A half-moon bund catches runoff at specific points on degraded ground. Each of those systems requires either construction expertise, significant materials, or precise positioning to function. Contour swaling requires a stick, some string, and a hoe. Locating the contour line across any hillside takes 20 minutes using an A-frame level, 2 poles connected at the top, joined by a string with a weight hanging from the center. Walk the hillside holding this tool, mark where the weight hangs plumb at each step, and those marks trace the contour automatically. Nothing purchased, nothing calculated, no outside knowledge required. Before going further, hit subscribe if this kind of content matters to you. Simple systems, real results, methods any landowner can build without specialized equipment on ground others gave up on. More is coming, and it's worth staying for. Back to the build. Once marked, excavating the swale follows a clear pattern. Dig a trench along the contour line roughly 1 foot deep and 2 feet wide. Pile excavated soil on the lower side, forming a berm. Pack that berm firmly so water pooling in the channel pushes into the ground rather than flowing over the edge. Results from the first season surprised most landowners who try this. Soil moisture levels inside the swale zone test measurably higher than untreated ground just 10 feet away throughout dry periods. Plant growth inside the capture zone visually outpaces surrounding areas within weeks of establishment. The property starts retaining what the sky provides instead of shedding it immediately after every storm. Here's the full mechanism, broken down simply. Rain falls on bare angled ground and immediately starts moving toward lower elevation. Uninterrupted, it accelerates. Faster movement means less time in contact with soil, less absorption, and more erosion. Topsoil leaves with the runoff, compounding the problem every season. A contour swale breaks that movement at a fixed line across the hillside. Water running toward lower ground reaches the trench and fills it. The level bottom, following the contour exactly, means water has nowhere to flow left or right. The only direction available is down, into the subsoil beneath. That infiltration pushes water into layers where roots can access it days and weeks after the rain event ended. A single swale on a 2% grade in a region receiving 15 inches of annual precipitation captures the equivalent of 22 additional inches of effective water in the zone directly below it. Research measuring this across sites in Zimbabwe and southern Australia found the figure consistent, not from added supply, but from retained volume that previously left the property unused. Space multiple swales down a long hillside, and the effect compounds. Overflow from one channel during a heavy event runs toward lower ground only until it meets the next swale, where the whole process repeats. A fully treated hillside behaves like a sponge rather than a chute. Trees planted on the berm below each swale receive concentrated flow from above and develop root systems faster than trees on open ground. Within 3 growing seasons, research from permaculture sites in New South Wales showed berm-planted trees achieving canopy size equal to 5-year-old trees grown under standard conditions. Construction per swale, 1 person, 1 afternoon, basic tools only. Per acre installation across a full hillside runs 4 to 8 hours of labor. Angled farmland covers the majority of available acreage across Texas Hill Country, Appalachia, the Ozarks, and the Mountain West, regions where rain arrives in heavy seasonal bursts rather than steady year-round distribution. That pattern creates a specific problem. When 12 inches falls in 3 heavy events across spring and summer, untreated hillsides shed most of it within hours each time. The soil profile never saturates deeply enough to carry crops through the gaps between events. Farmers in these areas purchase irrigation equipment to compensate, pumping groundwater to replace surface water that escaped during the last storm. Contour swaling stops that cycle before it starts. A study conducted across smallholder farms in Ethiopia's highlands recorded average yield increases of 60 to 80% on treated plots compared to untreated control plots in the same season. Construction required nothing imported, no outside funding, and no technical assistance beyond basic instruction in reading a hillside. The same approach applied to American hill country produces comparable outcomes. Any hillside where you've watched water run off during a storm and wondered where it went is a candidate. Any pasture that greens up quickly after rain and browns out fast afterward is showing you the same issue. Precipitation arriving and leaving before the ground captures enough to last through the following weeks. One weekend of digging changes that relationship. Start with a single swale on your worst draining ground. Mark the contour, excavate the channel, build the berm. Watch how the zone below it behaves through the following dry period compared to untouched ground alongside it. That comparison tells you whether to continue. And across documented outcomes on multiple continents, the answer has been to keep digging. The rain is already falling on your property. The question is whether your ground holds it or loses it. That Zimbabwe hillside didn't produce 340% more food from better seed or purchased inputs. It held precipitation that previously ran off and let the soil handle the rest. If your ground sheds water faster than it absorbs it, one weekend and a hoe changes that. Subscribe. More is coming.